Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, welcome back in our channel Grade 4 GIS Official. How are you today? Okay, I hope you are in a good condition. Now with Miss Anis, we will learn about mathematics. But before we start our lesson, please raise your hand and let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, please watch this video until the end and don't forget to do your exercise and submit your answer to your teacher class. Let's enjoy the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello grade 4, welcome back in mathematics lesson. Today we are going to learn about measuring length part 1. So please watch this video carefully and if you have the question you can ask to your teacher. Let's start. Friends, that are the pictures showing about length. Length is a measure how height, long or wide something is. Meter is a standard measure of length. And we can measure the length by some tools, such as ruler and tape. Now, about how to conversion units of measuring length. Please watch this video carefully and pay attention. Maybe you still remember about units of length. We can remind by these stairs. First one is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and the last one is millimeter. If it's upstairs, it will be divided, and it's downstairs, it will be multiplied. Notes: if go upstairs, it's divided by 10 for each stair. And then, if go downstairs, it's multiplied by 10 for each stair. Oke, dalam bahasa Indonesia, ini adalah tangga satuan panjang, ya, yang dimulai dari kilometer sampai milimeter. Ya, ketika naik, itu akan dibagi. Dan ketika turun akan dikalikan. Ya, ketika naik satu tangga akan dibagi 10. Ketika naik 2 tangga bukan dibagi 20, tapi dibagi 100 ya. Nolnya 2. Nah, sama. Ketika turun 1 tangga akan dikali 10. Ketika turun 2 tangga akan dikali 100. Ketika turun 3 tangga akan dikali 1000. Okay. Next, this is the examples. Number 1, 1200 centimeters is equal to blah 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 meter. Okay, step 1, you can write down 1200 at the first. And then step 2, look at the units of length from centimeter to meter. It's go upstairs. How many steps up? Yes, 2. So, we can divide it by 100. Remember, when we divide it by 100, we can see 100 have 2 zeros, so we can cross out 2 zeros in here and do the same thing, cross 2 zeros in here too. So we can get the answer 12 divided by 1 is 12. Then how about number 2? 350 kilometers is equal to blah 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 hectometers. Okay, step 1, always write down 350. Step 2. Look at the stairs from kilometer to hectometer. It's down stair. How many step down? Yes, 1 step. So we can multiply by 10. When we multiply by 10, we can add all the zero to be 3,500 hectometer. So 350 kilometer is equal to 3,500 hectometer. Okay, number 3. 480,000 meter is equal to blah 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 kilometer. Okay, I will speak in bahasa. Ya teman-teman, ini adalah 480.000 meter berapa kilometer. Oke, step 1 ya, langkah pertama teman-teman tulis kembali angkanya ya. 480.000 ya, kita tulis. Terus kemudian kita lihat, kita ubah dari meter ke kilometer. Ya, teman-teman bisa lihat dari meter ke kilometer. Naik atau turun? Ya, naik. Naik berapa langkah? Kita lihat. 1, 2, 3. Karena naik 3 langkah, kita bisa membaginya. Ya, bukan dibagi 30, tapi dibagi 1000. Ya, ingat, ketika pembagian dengan angka 0 ya atau kelipatan 10, kita bisa mencoret angka 0-nya. Ya, 1000 punya 3 angka 0, berarti kita bisa coret. Dan kita bisa lakukan hal yang sama, coret 3 angka 0 pada 480.000. Oke, nah setelah seperti ini, berarti 480 dibagi 1. Berarti jawabannya adalah 480. Okay friends, this is the example about adding operation in units of length. Number 1, 7,200 cm plus 15 decameter is equal to blah 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 meter. You must see at the end of unit in this equation, we will change all the value to meter. Step 1, you can write down one by one from left. We will change 7,200 cm to meter. Look at the stair. From centimeter to meter, it's 2 step upstairs. Okay, 2 step upstairs. So, you can count 7,200 divided by 100. You can cross out 2 zeros in here to be 72 divided by 1 is 72 meter. And then the second one, 15 decameter to meter. Okay, look at the stair. From decameter to meter, it's 1 step downstairs. So you can count 15 multiplied by 10 is 150 meter. So you can add all together. You get the answer is 222 meter. And then number 2, 5 kilometer plus 500 hectometer is equal to blah 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 kilometer. Okay, we can write down one by one from 5 kilometer to kilometer. It's same, so you can just write 5. And then we will change 500 hectometer to kilometer. Look at the stair. From hectometer to kilometer, it's 1 step upstairs. Okay, so 500 divided by 10. You can cross out 1 zeros to be 50 divided by 1 is 50 kilometer. And then you can add all together. Don't forget to make sure the position of each number is correct. 5 plus 50. So the answer is 55 kilometer. And then number 3, I will speak in bahasa. 80 dm ditambah 200 cm sama dengan berapa mm? Oke, kita akan ubah semuanya satu persatu menjadi satuan mm. Dimulai dari 80 dm. Oke, teman-teman bisa lihat dari dm ke mm. Ya, kita bisa tulis dulu 80 dari dm ke mm. Turun 2 langkah. Karena turun 2 langkah berarti akan kita kalikan 100. Ya, kita cukup menghitungnya 8 kali 1, yaitu 8, dan menjumlahkan total angka nolnya. Nolnya ada 3, berarti 8000 mm. Sudah berubah ya satuannya menjadi 8000 mm. Nah, kemudian 200 cm. Dari cm ke mm, ya, ternyata turun 1 tangga. Ya, karena turun 1 tangga berarti 200 dikalikan 10. Ya, kita cukup mengkalikan 2 kali 1, yaitu 2. Dan kita jumlahkan total nolnya ada 3. Jadi 2000 mm. Nah, ketika satuannya sudah sama, kita bisa jumlahkan 8000 mm ditambah 2000 mm. Hasilnya adalah 10.000 mm. Oke. Okay, friends, this is the example about subtraction operation in unit of length. Number 4, 14,000 meter minus 2 kilometer is equal to blah 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 hectometer. We will change one by one from 14,000 meter. Okay, from meter to hectometer, it's 2 step upstairs. Okay, so you can divide it by 100. 14,000 divided by 100. You can cross out 2 zeros to be 140 divided by 1 is 140 hectometer. And then 2 kilometer. From kilometer to hectometer, it's downstairs, 1 step downstairs. So you can multiply by 10. 2 multiply by 10 is 20 hectometer. So you can subtract all together. 140 minus 20 is 120 hectometer. And then number 5, 9 kilometer minus 5,000 centimeter is equal to blah 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 meter. Okay, we can change one by one from 9 kilometer. From kilometer to meter, it's 3 step downstairs. So you can multiply by 1,000. 9 multiply by 1,000 is 9,000 meter. And then 5,000 centimeter to meter, centimeter to meter. It's 2 step upstairs. So you can divide it by 100. 5,000 divided by 100. You can cross out 2 zeros to be 50 divided by 1 is 50 meters. You can subtract all together to be 8,950 meter. And then the last, I will speak in bahasa. 700 dm dikurang 3000 cm sama dengan berapa cm? Oke, nah kita akan ubah satu persatu. Yang pertama adalah 700 dm. Ya, 700 dm. dm ke cm. dm ke cm ini adalah turun satu tangga. Berarti akan kita kalikan dengan 10. 700 dikali 10, ya, hasilnya adalah 7.000. Kemudian 3.000 cm, centimeter ke sentimeter, itu sama, berarti kita langsung tulis saja 3.000 cm. Nah, diperhatikan, ini adalah pengurangan, berarti akan kita kurangkan. 7.000 dikurang 3.000 hasilnya adalah 4.000 cm. Okay friends, maybe it's enough for today. Hopefully you all understand. If you have a question, you can ask your teacher class. Don't forget to do your exercise and submit your answer to your teacher class. Let's say Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.